In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Hostinger domain and hosting services step by step. Whether you're simplifying your online setup, moving to a new provider, or simply no longer need a particular service, knowing how to properly disable renewals helps you avoid future charges and stay in full control of your account. The entire process is straightforward once you know where to look. So let's get started and break it down clearly. We'll begin with canceling your hosting plan. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the hosting section. Here you'll see a list of all active hosting plans tied to your account. Locate the specific plan you want to cancel and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you into the main management area for that particular hosting service. Inside the management page, look for the billing or renewal settings. Hostinger often places the cancel or disable auto renewal option either directly in the plan settings or under the billing tab. So take a moment to explore the menu. Once you find the auto renewal switch, toggle it off. This step is what officially initiates the cancellation. You may be asked to confirm your choice or provide a short reason for canceling. Feel free to answer honestly. Confirm your final decision and the system will update your plan, ensuring it will not renew once your current billing cycle ends. Your hosting service will stay active until the pay period expires, so you will still have time to download backups, move files, or transition your website. Now let's move on to canceling your domain. Start by returning to your Hostinger dashboard. From the main menu, click on Domains, then select Domain Portfolio. This section lists all the domains you currently own or manage. Find the domain you want to cancel and click Manage next to it to open its settings panel. In the domain management area, look for the auto renewal option. Just like with hosting, this is the key setting that controls whether your domain renews automatically. Click the toggle to turn auto renewal off. Hostinger may show a brief confirmation message or ask you to verify your selection. Once confirmed, your domain will remain active only until its expiration date, after which it will not renew automatically. And that's all there is to it. Canceling both your hosting plan and domain on Hostinger is simple once you know the steps. Just remember to double check the auto renewal is turned off for each service you want to end so you don't receive any unexpected charges. Taking a moment to review everything now can save you time and frustration later. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore our other step-by-step videos designed to make managing your online services easier and more confident. I hope this walkthrough helped you complete your cancellation smoothly, and I look forward to guiding you through more tools and tasks in future videos.